Welcome to the Independence Public Library's Maker Monday video. Our craft this Monday is a noodle flower picture. All right, your kit, what you'll need is a kit from the library that will have paper, paint, a bag of noodles, and a paintbrush. From home, you'll need to have some kind of white clear drying glue like Elmer's. First thing we'll want to do is take your noodle bag, empty it out, and make sure and sort your noodles into like kinds so we can create some flowers. Once you've done that, you can restart the video. Your next step would be to take your noodles and arrange them on your paper any way you would like to have them be. I thought the bow tie noodles would make great butterflies, but you can create any kind of flower that you'd like to. Once you kind of had an idea of what you want to do with your noodles, I would take them one at a time off your paper, add plenty of glue, and glue them down. It takes quite a bit of glue actually to hold the noodles onto the paper, but once you've got them on there and have them on the way you'd like to have them done, you'll want to make sure and let your creation dry. Once you've created your flowers and let your glue dry, you can start the video again and we'll paint. This is what I decided on to use my noodles for. My glue is dry, so now I'm ready to paint these guys. Okay. If you want to keep your own solid colors for things, you'll want to make sure and clean your brush out in between different paintings. I'm going to start with these shell noodles and paint them blue. There again, any color you choose to paint your flowers is perfect. And did you know that once you're done with your solid colors, if you would mix blue and red together, you can have purple. Go ahead and keep painting, and once you're finished, with that we'll add some stems. I'm sure you've completed coloring all of your flowers. Just to kind of speed things up here a little bit, this is what I did to paint my stems on. Just kind of drew a little line. And if you're real creative, you could probably add some leaves to that. But there again, if you just, any way you want to do this, if you want to add stems, okay. You don't want to add stems, that's okay too. There you go. So yours is all colored in. Mine is still only partway colored in. But once you have painted it, you're going to want to let it sit and dry again so that paint's good and dry. The butterflies, I just took different colors and just kind of colored them in. It's up to you, however you want to do them. Thank you for joining us today. We hope to see you in the library soon. The Independence Public Library has a lot of books about growing flowers, plants, seeds. Just a few of them that we have in the library are Green and Growing, a book about plants by Susan Blackaby, Sprout Branches Out by Jessica Inebner, The Tiny Seed by Eric Carle, and My Garden by Kevin Hinkes. We do hope you'll join us this summer at the library for Plant a Seed Read. Thank you.